Match.com. Match.com is an online dating platform that provides its services in 50 countries across the world. The app is designed to cater the needs of all age groups ranging from Gen Z, millennials, and older. As an advertiser of the affiliate links on Match.com, one gets captivating banners, commissionable connections, and optimally designed features. The affiliate program of Match.com offers fixed rates to advertisers, with percentage sales going up to 75%. Coursera. Coursera is an online education providing platform that offers access to MOOCs and degrees from universities all over the world. The affiliate program provides bonuses on outstanding performances and gives access to the platform's merchandiser field. The traffic tracking through easy-to-integrate link share tracking links makes this affiliate program even more interesting. If you want to promote Coursera to your audience, you can earn up to 45% commission on any eligible purchase of a course or degree. Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate marketing platform and a global internet retailer. The platform has over 6 million customers across the world. The company works in most of the countries. It is great for beginners, as for 90% of the offers, no approval is needed. This helps to work with bigger affiliate networks that require track records otherwise. The website is optimal for those who know how to work smart and choose the right products to market. Having thousands of digital products to market, including music and books, etc., you can earn significantly high commissions that go up to 75%. CJ Affiliates. CJ Affiliates is another affiliate marketplace that connects merchants wanting to promote their products with publishers, advertisers, and marketers. It is the world's largest affiliate network and works in several countries across the globe. Marketing the products as an affiliate for CJ Affiliates gets you many benefits, such as exceptional real-time reporting, selectivity for individual products, and bonuses for star publishers. You can get your payments through direct deposit, check, or Payoneer. The commission rate is dependent on the merchant and varies for products. However, the tools provided by the network and other amazing features like pay-per-call, site-to-store, deep link automation, and link generation, etc., help the affiliate build great revenue. Lemonade. Lemonads is an affiliate marketing network having over 10,000 businesses that affiliates can promote and earn commission from. The platform provides real-time performance monitoring, tracking technology, faster payments through various payment methods, and exemplary customer support. The network offers excellent tools that include AI fraud detection and pay performance models, which the advertisers can choose. The commission percentage differs from business to business and product to product. The best thing about Lemonads is that the revenue is reported to have increased in 85% of the publishers only within the first 3 months.